Alright, so now our app can flip, but we don't have a back panel. So let's create a backside component. Go to src backside.js, import React from the React package, and export a function. For now, just return null. Now get back to app.js and import the newly created backside component. Now just change panel back string to our component. Alright, now get back to backside.js. Let's render a button. Let's make it so you can pass onClick function to this component. It will use it as onClick handler of the button, and so we'll be able to flip the panel back. Alright, now we can pass onClick to our backside.js. And here we also pass this onFlip to our onClick handler. Let's check if it's working. I think something is wrong. I don't see the button. Oh, I know what is wrong. I forgot to add the text. Let's go to back panel component and add text to our button.